SSI 2023 provides users with the latest platform integrations and offers new capabilities that provide greater insight into the work being performed for both modelers and managers. This annual release supports the latest 2023 editions of both AutoCAD and Navisworks and now includes SQL Server 2019 Express with the installer. Updates to the model-based environment include improvements to part views, revisions, and the introduction of SmartLog, while change and project management tools include enhancements to tasks and the introduction of SSI Marine Information Model Reports. For modelers, this release includes further enhancements to part views that allow designers to not only toggle between display and graphics modes, but can now filter specific object types to include in the part view loading process. This filtering option ensures that the user is only viewing the parts required for the work being performed, improving performance and generating a cleaner workspace within the viewport. PartView filtering and background multiprocessing means a faster modeling experience while manipulating the 3D model and allows the user greater control of all visible elements in the drawing. ShipConstructor provides a wide range of log files for various processes and actions for reference and troubleshooting purposes that are often used to cross-check changes to part and stock properties. With the SSI 2023 release of ShipConstructor, we now introduce ShipConstructor SmartLog, which provides a user-friendly interface to view log files across your entire project, but also interactive, direct links to the parts and drawings from within the SmartLog interface. With SmartLog, checking or modifying activities such as changes to geometric property, stocks, or objects brought in from other projects is now simplified with a standardized cross-platform log management tool. SmartLog is provided as a standalone application, which means users without ShipConstructor will also be able to view these log files as they would with standard text logs. Accompanying the SSI 2023 release, we are making available SSI Marine Information Model Reports. These reports import ShipConstructor's Marine Information Model to Power BI, providing an at-a-glance visual representation of project progress for the entire model throughout the life cycle of the vessel. SSI Marine Information Model or MIM reports provide project managers with the ability to quickly visualize the entire vessel or unit information such as part counts and weights, production statuses, the number of drawings and assemblies currently locked, and much more. SSI MIM reports provide a simple yet comprehensive tool that allows managers to dynamically interact with their project data from the overall high-level perspective, right down to the nuts and bolts accessory packages. Furthermore, with appropriate Power BI licensing via Microsoft, these reports can be shared online and kept updated automatically if required. Simply connect your project to the Power BI Marine Information Model reports to view and share progress surrounding the model at every stage of design and production. Managers will appreciate that ShipConstructor revisions now include records of changes made to both equipment stocks and standards to improve tracking their changes throughout the design process. ShipConstructor Navigator now displays an out-of-date part revisions indicator in a context menu that, when selected, will take the user to the part revisions viewer and display the revisions that trigger the out-of-date production drawing warning. This allows designers and project managers to ensure they are working with the most up-to-date project model and to avoid missing any changes prior to final approval. And finally, SSI has completely updated SSI tasks to provide a unified task management interface with a focus on displaying changes that have taken place for each task, navigation to parts and drawings from within the Task Manager dialog, and improvements to the underlying task framework itself, providing a more intuitive and user-friendly experience for project managers. The Active Users column now displays the tasks a user is assigned to and working on, while user assignment is now defined using permission groups, making the assignment process much more intuitive. Additionally, with the upgraded grid format, managers can now move, refresh and filter tasks, show changes, select multiple rows for editing, and even navigate directly to task-related parts from within the Task Manager dialog. Find the SSI 2023 download and details on all of these features and more by visiting SSI Nexus today.